go.
Alright, how do I start this thing? I'm assuming the regular way.
Magic fingers, sorry. Damn, this fucking clutch takes way longer to... Mine's like right off the fucking beat.
Oh, this is comf, dude.
I feel like I'm riding a bicycle, bro.
I know.
I won't do it right my bicycle! I won't do it right my bike!
Huh? I am not even touching the throttle on this dirt goddamn road.
Are you ready, my friend?
Oh yeah, are we good?
Oh my god, dude.
Caught off guard by the foot position.
Yeah, it's a little different for sure.
Oh yeah, dude, this thing is calm.
Super calm, dude. You like the highway pegs? Crash bars?
I do. That is a reach to shift.
Hit it. Yeah!
I ain't used to a clutch that lets out like that. I stalled at that light.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, it lets off real quick, dude. I'm not used to this one letting off so late. I'm like revving it up.
Yeah, dude, this bar height and position is perfect, bro.
Hell yeah, dude. I love it. It's so calm for me, bro.
So this is my first time riding Steve's 2019 Softail Fat Bob since he customized it. And you did bars, grips, risers, pullback, fairing, foot pegs. You just put the crash bar on. That's been since the last video.
License plate bracket.
License plate bracket, LED.
LED lights. I did quite a bit of shit.
Are we turning there?
We were gonna go straight. Straight.
I was gonna say that would have been
No, totally my bad. I didn't even think you were that close. My fault.
This is comf, dude. I need to get me one of these.
Yeah.
I'm in a contest to win one, and $5,000. I could literally go clone your bike.
Like the bars the way they are and everything?
Oh yeah, it's perfect, dude.
Word.
And honestly, I wouldn't even be in that big of a rush to do the seat. This seat's real comf.
Oh, dude, I love the seat. I really do. I know it's gonna look fucking sick when I get the other one, dude. I'm just gonna pick a driveway. Fuck it. Ain't nobody behind us. Gonna do a full turnaround.
Alright, I don't know how this bike corners, so I am not about to just whip it around.
No, I totally respect it, dude.
It's gonna look goofy in the video, but Steve's bike's in one piece, standing up.
Hey, that's how I like it, baby. You can still rip it when you're going straight, though. Hit that fucking gas, let her eat, baby.
So it's mechanically stock.
Yes.
And that's still, I've been impressed with the 114s that I've ridden, man.
Yeah, they're fucking bad, dude.
There's news on the Spookster. I am taking it to my mechanic's place this week. Steven, actually, while I've got you, you want to help me take my bike to Nick's tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm down for that. You wish you could catch the sass, baby. Come on.
Man, that shift is so smooth.
Oh, yeah, dude.
It's a hike to get up there.
Yeah. With my boots on, it's a little better because I got steel toes, so they're thicker.
Oh, yeah, dude. That rider triangle's just right.
Oh, most definitely.
I like that. That's real comfortable. I gotta say, I can feel the fairing. Like, I can feel the difference between the wind on my helmet and the wind on my chest.
Oh, dude. I took that fairing off one time, and I fucking felt like I was going to get blown off my bike, dude. It's like night and day difference.
Yeah, and I will say that the hand guards, I can definitely tell them doing something. It's not a complete block of wind, but they're effective.
Yeah, I hear you there. When you get off later and check it out how many bugs it blocks, you'll be like, damn.
Oh, I bet. There's a guy at my shop that rides a Honda Rebel 500, the new one, the like crazy futuristic looking little guy.
Yeah, yeah.
And he's got like the throttle muffs. They're like these big mittens that like go on your handlebars, and then you stick your hand into them when you ride.
That's awesome. Little igloo back there. It was like an igloo.
An igloo? Are there penguins?
Possibly.
Penguins don't live in igloos. Eskimos do, you racist.
Yeah, but Eskimos always have penguins as pets, correct?
Do they? I don't think there's penguins in Alaska. Again, racist. I think penguins are a South Pole thing.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, that felt good.
Woo! She sails, boy.
Oh yeah.
We updated our Senas. We both run the 30K. The Mesh 2.0 update came out because the 50R and the 50S came out. I noticed a difference. What do you think, Steve?
I noticed a slight difference, a little bit more clear.
Yeah, definitely more clear. And I hear a little, like, less interference. Like, it cuts you off better when it's all you got is wind noise.
It's more like a walkie-talkie now.
Oh no, did we talk all that shit? And then Steve loses me on the Sena. Gay?
Ha! Gay! There we go.
Hey, there you are.
Sorry, I was fucking talking to somebody.
Oh, you got a phone call.
That guy that bought that fucking Enduro.
What, did he forget how to, like, shift into neutral?
You can't get it started. Oh yeah, probably forgot how to shift into neutral.
Goddamn, I'm glad I'm not in that Taco Bell line right now, man.
Dude, you should have seen that Taco Bell line on Cinco de Mayo, dude. It was retarded.
It's not even like actual Mexican food.
I know, dude. It's fake-ass Mexican.
Your fake-ass Mexican food. That's racist. This is, honestly, dude, like a much more pleasurable riding experience than when I rode it when it was stock.
Oh, absolutely, dude.
Night and day, dude.
Yeah, I really love it, dude.
Steve's rocking the foot forward position on old Blue. She's got oh, Steve's rocking the lounge chair. All right, Steve. I see you, my dude. Yeah, this riser situation you got with this pullback deal and this riser bar.
It literally put the bars in the perfect spot, dude.
It put the bars in the perfect spot, and it looks really good with this front end.
Absolutely, I agree.
Like the satin finish that's on it matches the satin finish on, like, I guess for lack of a better term, like the top nut from the fork into the triple tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect spot. Perfect rise. Do you have music on?
No. That's just, this helmet lets a lot of wind through it, man.
I couldn't tell if that was like some dad metal or, or if it was the wind. Dude, this thing is comp!
Love it, bro.
Well, at least now I know if I ever get a Fat Bob exactly what, like, recipe to use to get the right triangle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I felt so stretched out on this thing when you got it and it just had the drag bars.
Yeah, I know. You're like...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got confused about what gear I was in for a second, because I think that thing only has 4 speeds.
4 or 5?
The Spookster's got 5. I think that thing's only got 4.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. It says 5 on the goddamn side of it, but I swear it clicks up 3 times from first.
Just lock this brake up.
Well, I'd like to say that I appreciate the hell out of you letting me ride it again, Steve. I have to say it's a goddamn pleasure.
Hell yeah, dude. Absolutely. It's my pleasure letting you ride it, brother.
Your clutch, man. If I could get my clutch that smooth and easy, oh boy, that'd be a day. It's not even hydraulic.
I know, it's fully mechanical.
So then I don't even understand why anybody wants hydraulic. All right, well, that's been my first ride on the Club Style 2019 Fat Bob. Go ahead, give a like, comment, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell if you want to see new content first. As always, this is Steve, I'm Wigsley, and you're not.